Arkansas, Northwestern Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, southern Prairie County in central Arkansas, south central Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 3 miles southwest of Stuttgart Municipal Airport, or 7 miles northwest of Stuttgart, and moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Penny-size hail may also accompany these damaging winds. Locations impacted include DeVal's Bluff, Brinkley, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Pepper's Landing, Hallsville, Dobbs Landing, Biscoe, Allendale, Zint, Colville, Slovak, Keevil, Howell, Fargo, Fairmount, Dagmar Wildlife Management Area, Cotton Plant, Brassfield. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 196 and 218. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Wednesday
That's right over
morning for
Stuttgart.
Arkansas.